Today, on the Mad Times, I eat a bag of chips. Ronnie didn't appreciate his birthday present. And I speak to a neighbour.
Good evening, how are you?
Big job, my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow, what's up people? It's another day working on the MX5 today, but first of all, got to get my jobs done first. Just helping out my mate's mum cut a hedge, and then I'm going to my mate's house to help him do some bits and bobs as well. Yeah, I might do a little bit of filming, see how that goes. But yeah, hope everyone's good, hope everyone's nice and chilled, hope everyone's happy, and if you're not happy, go watch some of my other vlogs because they'll make you happy, I'm sure they will. Anyway, something a bit different today. We're going to go and look at the MX5. I'll show you around what I've already done, and we're going to strip some more parts off it, and hopefully finish it all off this weekend. So this is the MX5 journey so far. We've stripped quite a lot of it, as you can see. It's no longer an MX5, it's just a shell. We've still got quite a lot to strip off, all little bits like seals and whatever. We need to take some pictures, and then get rid of it all really. Start selling it. We need to get rid of the shell, and the engine we need to sell, but the shell we need to get rid of, scrap it, whatever. Once we've got everything off, hopefully someone will come collect that. If you're scrappy in North London, come and take the shell away from us. We're going to work on it. I'll film some other stuff. Oh god. As you can see from my other videos, my camera kept on dying, but I've come prepared today with all my batteries, so we're good to go. Food time. Shit.
Did you just break the chair?
No, it was all my fucking chair. Can you imagine if I broke the chair, mate? Everything's breaking.
We're not getting money for that anymore.
Oh mate, we found change in the bloody car, now I've fucking lost change outside of the car, mate. Mate, coronavirus has got fuck all on me. Look what I'm eating with, mate. Look at the state of my hands. Like, if I ever get coronavirus, mate, I'm sorted. Surprised no one's driven away with it. The keys are still in it. Do you want one of these?
What, mate, that's what?
Do you want one of these?
Huh? Yeah, that's nice.
Happy birthday, mate.
Huh?
Happy birthday, mate. Treat yourself. Banging, innit?
That's disappointing, man.
There's shit in it. Favourite chicken, mate. Letting me down. Man of shit I order off of you.
My fucking favourite, mate.
They taste the same. I'm trying to think what they taste of.
Tesco's own.
Yeah, oh, you know them one? You know them frozen SFC things you can get?
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
That's what they taste like, mate. They're going to be my sponsor, though. Favourite chicken, mate.
Favourite chicken or rusty metal?
And what?
Rusty metal.
Rusty metal, yeah. Rusty bolts.
Tombstone.
Tombstone rusty bolts, yeah. New brand coming out soon, mate.
Rusty brake lines.
How to fix them?
Yeah, mate.
What specialist tool are you using?
Clamps, mate.
Snips.
A bit of cutters. Just MOT, check your rubber hose, make sure it's not cuttable. Oh no, that's a fail, that, sorry.
Does that fail?
Yeah, the rust though, that's advisory, that. It's only your chassis, it's fine. You'll scrape it on the loose speed bumps anyway.
What about this one, mate? Is that advisory as well?
Nah, mate, that's decent. Loads of life. Flexible. Aerodynamic, that is. That's active aero.
How is it?
Yeah.
Is that
you
new?
go faster, it sort of goes up like that.
Oh yeah.
Look, now you got a Carnard.
Helps you stay on the.
Mate, that's fucking drifting.
Helps you stay planted, mate. I'm filming this purely on a roll. There's something bad is going to happen at some point. So.
You're ready, mate. You got your popcorn and everything. You're just enjoying the show.
Isn't it? What? Still got one more bolt.
Oh, that's it, mate.
Ah.
Do you want?
What's up, mate? Something leaking? Oh,
I can't
fucking
worry
hell,
about the
mate.
shell, mate.
Shell lily tipped up.
And
Would that steering column sell though?
No. Yeah, probably would. Oh yeah, keep going like that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There we go. Any more?
Yeah, I've got more. I just don't want to put my hands where they're going to get caught. Ready?
Put it from the engine.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, go on. Oh, hang on. Go on. There we go. So.
I think it's stuck.
Why is it doing it?
Whoa, yo. Your balancing better be right, mate.
I don't think it is.
No, I don't think it is either, mate. Touch correct.
Probably is. Whoa, 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 whoa.
What's happened?
It's fallen off the fucking jack, off the axle.
It's what?
It feels like it's falling off the axle stand.
Has it? Well, what is
Mate,
it?
It fell towards the car. I better move that seat. We don't want to damage the seat.
Don't want to damage the seat.
Yeah, that's invaluable, that.
The axle stand's alright. I mean, I'd rather the shell fall on my foot than the engine. But
I don't want it to fall that way, that's all. Right, okay, I don't know what fucking stuff.
we've got a bit of room to play with it, yeah?
Shouldn't move, should it? How about this? We just lift the end, lift the shell over. We'll just...
Wow, that is light.
Lift it up, hold it up, mate. We drag the edge.
How light is that?
You feel it?
No way. 4 people could easily move that, innit?
Yeah.
See, that's right on the edge. Yeah. Should I try and lift this back wheel up?
Oh, do you reckon you can do that?
Quite easily, mate.
God,
That's funny, man. Put it this way, the shell falls off, it doesn't really matter.
Can you drag it at all?
Potentially.
Oh, fuck.
One top quality engine out, along with everything else. Oh, what am I supposed to be saying again? I forgot. Go on, you said that.
It's something along the lines of lower the engine. I don't know, but people lower the engine anyway.
Yeah, lift it onto the back of a flatbed, mate.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you reckon?
We should just run it down the road and leave it in the park.
Filmed you saying that, mate. So when they find an MX5 in the park.
Good evening. Good evening, how are you?
Big job, my goodness.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that complete? That is a complete takedown, huh?
Yeah, well, we're stripping it all.
And you're gonna keep the parts or you're gonna use them for?
Nah, we're
Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon button and please give it a share. Follow me on my socials. Boom, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Peace, guys.